Now, let us learn how to write a set. There are two things that we need to remember while writing a set. The first thing is, always represent a set with capital letter. Consider a set named as A. Do not use small letter a while naming a set. Second thing to remember is, write the objects of the set inside curly brackets. To understand this, consider A is equal to set of first 4 odd number. Then, we can write A is equal to. First, put a curly bracket. Then, write the first 4 odd numbers, each of them separated by commas. That is 1, 3, 5, 7. Now, close it with curly bracket. This is the correct method of writing a set. Always write the objects, or elements of a set, inside these curly brackets. The usage of square brackets and round brackets are not allowed while writing a set. Remember, always write the elements inside curly brackets while representing sets. This is the correct method of writing a set.